How to verify your Instagram business account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping profile icon at bottom right. And first of all, ensure that your personal account is switched to business account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Now tap the search bar and then tap or type verification option. And here you will see the option of show your profile is verified or simply tap request verification option. Wait for the page to load and you need to fill in the required details such as your business informations and identifications documents. Once done, you need to tap on submit button at bottom of the screen to complete the process. And that's it. Your request will be sent to Instagram or Meta for review. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.